What is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? Woo, man, I gotta tell you guys, I'm fucking refreshed. So, after like 2 days of no sleep at all, I finally was able to spend the night in a hotel last night and get some food. And I tell you what, guys, I'm sure you can see from the last video to this video, I'm sure you guys can tell that, man, Andy is like back to Andy again, dude. Wow, man, I needed that sleep, guys. I needed food, I needed a good meal, sleep, and a freaking shower, and I got it. And I was extremely happy about it. Extremely freaking happy about it. So we are still up here in Massachusetts, and we are going to a new site with a new generator. Got rid of the old generator, got a new one. So we're heading there right now. We should be there in like, I don't know, what's the GPS say? About an hour. So we're gonna see what we can do here. See if we can get one of these freaking towers up and running. You know, freaking, I've been out here since Monday morning. I've been out here in, you know, doing this, and I haven't got any towers up. I'm kind of ashamed of myself, and I just want to do some hard work. I'm gonna just towing generators around for 3 days straight. The truck loves it. Truck's still running freaking good. I'm very, very happy with the Go Girl. Oh, I love you, girl. So, yeah. So let's get there, see what it's all about, and then hopefully get a gen up, and hopefully end the day on a good note, guys. Almost hit this guardrail about 3 freaking times on the way out here. Oh my god, he's probably gonna hit it again. I feel like I need to get in the middle lane here, get up to him and show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, he almost hit that guardrail probably, I would say 3 freaking times he almost hit that guardrail right there. That tractor trailer right there. Let's see if he can do it again. We'll keep eyes on the sky on him. Nah, I think he's sobered up now. He's probably sobered up now. All right, guys. Well, got to the site. It was already taken care of and under control. So now I'm going to another site, which is like 2 hours away. And I have to tell you guys, like, it's really freaking beautiful out here. Like, I'm on this back road for like 20 some miles, and I'm just hoping. I'm hoping I can lay one of these jennies down. You know what I mean? Like, I just want to lay one of these jennies down. How hard is it to ask to lay a jenny down? Like, how hard? I just don't get it. You got cool mountains over there. I don't know if you guys can see that. You probably can. Hold on. Let's get all these houses out of the way. So look at that. Got mountainside. Really, really mountainy up here. Really, really cool. Cool little church. Oh, are we in Connecticut? Oh, I'm in Connecticut. Look at that. I don't even know where I'm at. I thought I was still in Massachusetts, but I guess I'm in Connecticut now, which is really funny, really, really funny. But yeah, check it out. I don't know if you guys like traveling, but I do like seeing different places and seeing the architecture and stuff of different places. New Hampshire, for example, houses I think in New Hampshire are really, really cool. I think they just have a neat little style to them, you know what I mean? But oh, the cemetery. It's a neat little cemetery. But yeah, I just think some of the houses in like New Hampshire are pretty cool. Personally, that's just my personal opinion. So let's get. I guess we're just gonna keep. Like good old Senator Steve would say, we're gonna keep on chugging and plugging, and we're gonna go ahead and get to this next site and and see if we can finally, after 3 days now, almost 3 days of running around with a Jenny, we're hoping we can finally help somebody out and get some electricity or some power or whatever they need these things for up and running for some well-deserved community members of whatever city or town that needs it. So let's get going, guys, and we'll see you there. What do they need me for? They have a big windmill up there. Look at that thing. Through my cracked windshield. I'll just keep talking about my cracked windshield. Look, we're getting closer to the windmill. Let's check it out. They don't need these generators. They don't need them. They got these freaking windmills. Let's see if we can get a better view of it here, guys, as we come down this hill. We might be able to. I don't know. Let's see. Let's say. No, probably not. Oh, shuckers. Oh, shuckers, guys. Just woods. It's behind the woods is where it's at. The windmill is behind the woods. Or generator fan, or whatever you want to call them. I'm not really sure of the exact name of them. Is it back here, maybe? Are we going to see it? Nope. No, it's gone. It ran away. Alright, so there's our tower. We have to get to it somehow. This is going to be interesting, because I don't really know how to get to it. I don't know if I want to go up that hill or not. Let's see. Let's see, boys. Let's see what we got to do here. It was said that the entranceway to this is also a cow pasture. Yeah, a cow pasture. And that there might be cows. So, are you guys excited to see some cows? Moo? Well, we might be seeing some, so I just got to figure out where this entranceway is first. Hopefully I can find it. Because right there's the tower. We just have to get to the tower. That's... oh, what's that? No, that's not it. I hope that's not it. That was like a little windy road back there. That didn't look like cow pasture. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Where is it? There's got to be like a farm up here or something. Ready! What the heck? Oh, I think I hit something. I don't know. Well, this doesn't have any snow here, so I'm definitely okay. And I don't see any cows. So, since there's no cows, I'm still going to close the one gate just to be on the lookout, just in case we have a cow attack. Because we definitely don't want a cow attack, guys. Freaking trailer. This one doesn't catch on fire. There'd be cow dung, to watch out for the cow dung here. I haven't seen any turds yet, so we're just gonna look though. We are gonna continue to look for cow turds. And if I find one, I'll be sure to tell you guys that I found one and stuff. Oh well, here we go. We got one. Look at that. That's a good old cow turd there. Here, I'll touch it. Nope, I'm not gonna touch it. That is a big motherfucking tower. Got the good old Dirty Max here. Welcome to Rhode Island. This is a good welcome, guys. I like Rhode Island. Look at that. They're like, hey guys, come to our state. See a really awesome reservoir before you get in. I tell you what, Rhode Island has some really nice roads in here. Really, really nice roads, guys. Check this Rhode Island road out. Even a good old trail of dust behind me. All right, so I'm at my second site. The first site was good. Second site looks good too. So now I'm just waiting for orders to figure out what I'm going to be doing next. I may be going home. I may be running to another site. I don't know. I kind of figured the power would be on here because when I was coming up the dirt road and got on this other road, I seen a power truck go by, a big boomed power truck, and I was like, yep, they were already there. And then I seen a truck go by with a whole bunch of wood in the back, and I kind of figured maybe a tree fell down and cut the power line, and they might have been here replacing. I'm actually looking at it right now, but the tree and stuff, and it looks like they replaced it and everything. Like, you can see the new pole and stuff. So, yeah, so I guess we'll just wait for the next place, if there is a next place. What in the hell are these things? They're like little sheep, like little goats. These things. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Here's some bread. We're eating some bread. That boat's tilted over. That boat, you know, tilted over and stuff. Huh. Well, guys, we've definitely seen some interesting things. Dirt roads and some weird looking animals, some goats or some shit. I don't know. But now we're gonna go. I guess we're going to the yard now to return this Jenny because I guess we're all done. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Alright, well guys, you can see I'm in a hotel room. So basically, let's find some light here. Get some light. Where's the lights at? Hey, turn this thing on. There we go. Awesome. Alright, so basically, I'm done. I'm done with this storm weather hauling. I ended up going to 2 more sites today, and ended up neither site needed. The second site didn't need power either. It had power as well, so it was good to go. Ended up returning the generator back to the yard, and I ended up talking to Junior, which is the owner of the C7Z06, and he was only about a half an hour north of me. So I decided, what the hell, I'm just going to get another hotel room for tonight, which we are in La Quinta Inn here. And it's not a bad little room, I'm not going to lie. Like, not a bad little room. Oh, what do we got here? What's this? Oh, Jenny said I'm have a good day. I'm gonna have a good day. I am gonna have a good day because me and Junior, we're gonna go out, we're gonna get some dinner, we're gonna have a great freaking night, and then I'm gonna do some editing and stuff. So that was it, guys. Freaking, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. I can definitely tell this has been one hell of an experience for myself. I might do it again, I might not do it again, I don't know yet. And if I do, I'll definitely make more videos of it if I do. But it was a lot of work. A lot of driving, a lot of sitting, a lot of work. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Deuces.